Hello and welcome to my video tutorial. My name is Lemuel Jergos. In this video, we will make a simple Arduino program and circuit that will perform the following function. First is open your Arduino IDE. The first line declares an array LED of type unsigned integer 8t that contains the pin number connected to the segments of the 7-segment display. The next two lines defines two buttons, button 1 and button 2, that are connected to the pin 2 and 3 of the board respectively. A variable counter is declared and initialized to 0 to keep track of the number being displayed. The pattern array is a two-dimensional array that contains binary representation of the numbers 0 to 9 for the 7-segment display. The sDisplay function takes two arguments, the position of the number to be displayed and the array contains the binary representation of the numbers. This function sets the state of the segments to display the selected number. The setup function initializes the LED pins as outputs and buttons as inputs with pull-up resistors. It then calls the sDisplay function to display 0 on the 7-segment display. The loop function reads the state of buttons and updates the number displayed accordingly. When the button 1 is pressed, the counter is incremented by 1 and the sDisplay function is called to display the new number. When button 2 is pressed, the counter is decremented by 1 and the sDisplay function is called to display the new number. And lastly, a delay of 200 milliseconds is used after each button pressed to avoid bouncing and to allow the user to see the updated display. Verify the code if there is an error. Next is, we will assemble the circuit. And finally, upload the code to the Arduino board. Make sure that you have selected the correct board and port in tool settings. And this is the result. Thank you for watching.